Alright, time for another system test. Today, this one is made to represent that building that I saw during an inspection going off. The inspector was nice enough to let me set it off, so I think I'll put that up on the screen, depending on how I'm feeling when I edit it. But, so here we go. We got a EST 278. Edwards 75778HS, Wheelock MT, set to code 3 horn, 270 SPO because it was EST, and technically it would just be more 278s, but I don't have more 278s, so I just put a 270 SPO, and then 5AT, yeah. Whoa, that's unfocused. Huh. Alright. Do it again. Can I? Alright. So let me make sure everything is turned on, and I'll start the test. Yeah, it's turned on. You know, we'll just... Alright, we'll just go for the 270 SPO here. I think in the next system test, I am going to throw one in the garage so that, you know, more devices. That is the true way to reset the 270 SPO. Alright, well, thanks y'all for watching this video. Make sure to, honestly, like and subscribe if you want. You don't have to. But, I'll catch y'all in the next one.